Pangrams. A pangram is a sentence that includes every letter of the alphabet, A through Z, at least once. Pangrams are also referred to as hollow alphabetic sentences or alphabet sentences. The best-known pangram in the English language is: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. A perfect pangram includes just 26 letters. In this lesson, we will look at different pangram phrases, so that you can make your writing and speech more interesting, and this makes grammar more fun to learn. Pangram phrases. Here are some interesting pangram phrases. 2 driven jocks help fax my big quiz. 30 letters. 5 quacking zephyrs jolt my wax bed. 31 letters. The 5 boxing wizards jump quickly. 31 letters. Pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs. 32 letters. Crazy Frederick bought many very exquisite opal jewels. 46 letters. We promptly judged antique ivory buckles for the next prize. 50 letters. A mad boxer shot a quick, gloved jab to the jaw of his dizzy opponent. 54 letters. Here are some more pangram phrases. How vexingly quick daft zebras jump. 30 letters. Jackdaws love my big sphinx of quartz. 31 letters. The jay, pig, fox, zebra, and my wolves quack. 36 letters. My girl wove 6 dozen plaid jackets before she quit. 43 letters. We promptly judged antique ivory buckles for the next prize. 50 letters. Farmer Jack realized that big yellow quilts were expensive. 50 letters. The job requires extra pluck and zeal from every young wage earner. 55 letters. Thank you.